All right, here we have a Parallax Cyberbot and another Parallax Cyberbot, and we're going to send a message from this robot to that robot, and we're going to use the Nordic Gazelle protocol. It's a 2.4 gigahertz radio band. We have a sender script on this side for this robot, and a receiver script for that robot. And this is the microbit that's on these computers, on these robots. And you can see the antenna right up there. That's the hardware that's sending the 2.4 gigahertz frequency radio transmission from here to there. Okay, so this application is, I'm going to send a countdown timer for 10 seconds. And then I'm going to send a message after that countdown. GenTech is awesome. And you can see that the message was sent, the countdown started, 10 seconds. GenTech is awesome. That was the Parallax Cyberbot sending a plain text message across robots.